Convex and concave lenses lab. To do this lab, you will need a piece of paper, 2 meter sticks, matches, a candle, and a concave lens in a lens holder. Now we walk outside so we can find the focal point of our lens. To do this, you're going to hold your lens up and shine it on the piece of paper and try to see where you can get the smallest bright spot. So if you'll follow me,
Can we like put this
so that you can see the paper.
Alright, let's listen to it.
It looks like about right here is the brightest I can get it. So if you take your meter stick and measure the distance from the bright spot in centimeters to the lens, we get
22.5 centimeters.
In order to get the height of the object, we are going to place the candle here, and it looks about 1.6 centimeters. Okay, now we're ready to start our lab. Put the 2 meter sticks like this on the table, and put the lens in the lens holder on top. Now light your candle, and place it at where you think 2F is. So our focal length was 22.5. So that means that we think 2F is around 45.
So now take the paper on the other side and you put it at the same length, and we see a very, very faint light, which means that our focal length is slightly off. So now we start adjusting by moving our paper, and I'm just going to go out, and we can see the light getting more and more focused.
This means that our focal length was a little off. So in order to adjust, we're going to move the light a little bit to the left. And the paper as well, until they are on the same number.
And right now the candle is at about 55, and the paper is 2. And the light, that's where the light is smallest and most focused, so we know that 55 centimeters is actually our 2F length, which means that our focal length is not 22.5, but actually 27.5.
First, we're going to place the candle beyond 2F. So 2F was about 55, so we placed it at 65 centimeters. Now, take your paper and move it around until you see the image appear on the other side.
Oh, and there's our image.
It's kind of hard to see, but it's right here.
And that is at 49 centimeters.
And the height of our image is about 4 centimeters. Next, we put the candle at 2F, which is 55 centimeters. Take your piece of paper and move it around on the other side again.
And here it is.
And it is at 55 centimeters on the other side. And it appears to be about, say, 5 centimeters high. Now we need to place the candle somewhere between 2F and F. So here's 2F, here's F. We chose 45 centimeters.
And once again, you move your paper around until you can see your image. Oh, and here's the image. And it is about, say, 68 centimeters.
And it appears to be 5.5 centimeters tall. Now we place the candle at F. If you move your paper along on the other side, you'll notice that no matter where you put your paper, you won't see an image. That's because no image is formed at F. Last, we put the candle somewhere between F and the lens. If you move your paper around on the other side, we can't find an image. That's because the image is on this side of the lens, and it won't show up.